Hi there, I'm Jamie, and this is your third Romanian beginners lesson. In this lesson, we'll learn how to order in a simple way, as well as basic numbers. For those of you who've clicked for the first time, you can check out the first lesson right here. This is how the lesson is structured. The first, we'll go through a set of words that will be important for the conversation later on. Once we've listened to these individually, we'll then put these into a conversation with a native speaker. First with the text, second again with the text, but a little bit faster, and third with no text at all. What this can do is really train your ears to listen, not just to the individual sounds, but how they sound in a sentence. So let's start with the first set of sounds.
Bună ziua! Bună ziua! Cu ce vă pot ajuta? Cu ce vă pot ajuta? Aș dori. Aș dori. 3. 3. Mere. Mere. Vă rog. Vă rog. Sigur. Sigur. Altceva? Altceva? Atât. Atât. Mulțumesc. Mulțumesc. Cu plăcere. Cu plăcere.
All good, right? So let's move on to the second part, which will be the first time we hear the conversation as a full.
Bună ziua! Bună ziua! Cu ce vă pot ajuta? Aș dori 3 mere, vă rog. Sigur. Altceva? Atât. Mulțumesc. Cu plăcere.
Great, that was the first time. Now let's speed it up slightly. Again, the same conversation.
Bună ziua! Bună ziua! Cu ce vă pot ajuta? Aș dori 3 mere, vă rog. Sigur. Altceva? Atât. Mulțumesc. Cu plăcere.
Was that hard? Remember, you can play it back again if you want to listen. And the third one, without any text at all. Remember, this could be the first time you're listening to Romanian, and you are now listening without any text and understanding.
Bună ziua! Bună ziua! Cu ce vă pot ajuta? Aș dori 3 mere, vă rog. Sigur. Altceva? Atât. Mulțumesc. Cu plăcere.
Isn't that good? You've now listened to a conversation completely in Romanian without any text. Remember to revisit this lesson as many times as you need. But for now, I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.
1. 1. 2. 2. 4. 4. 5. 5.
Now here in Romanian, numbers can change a little depending on what you're counting. For example, when we say 1, you say un if it's something that's masculine. And you say o if it's something that's feminine. And 2, doi for masculine, două for feminine. Don't worry too much about this, but as long as we can recognize that when we are counting, we go 1, 2, 3. But when we're ordering something, it can change depending on the gender. That's it for now. Let's carry on with the lesson.